you're saying she gave you $2,000.
That's correct.
How much did you give him?
25.
Okay. And you have proof of that?
I don't. Everything I gave him was cash.
So you utilized essentially $2,000 worth of driving privileges?
Yes.
And you think that the damage that you caused to the car was only worth $500?
No, that's not correct. When I came to him with a quote, he told me that he would just take the 25 that I gave him and wouldn't charge me anything additional for the damages, and he would pay $500 out of his own pocket to take care of it.
Why would he do that?
I don't know.
Would you do that?
I'm not sure.
What?
I'm not sure.
No.
Honestly.
No.
I was dealing
this
with
isn't family. Y'all ain't friends like that. He was doing you a solid by saying, hey, I'll make some money. You get a car. You get to move around.
Right.
And you're saying that if someone damaged your car to the extent that you did, and they were quoted, I'm going to go with your quote, $3,000 worth of damages, you're saying that you would come out of pocket for those expenses and say, don't worry about it?
No, I would want them to pay.
Right.
Right.
So why would he do that for you?
He's
taking you to court right now.
Right. That's right. Exactly. But that was not the agreement that we had originally. So.
All right. Judge Juarez.
Did you tell her that?
No, Your Honor.
Of course not. Okay. So I got to tell you, sir, if someone gave me a car with 130,000 miles on it and told me it was like new, I would be blown out of my socks. I mean, that's not going to be like new condition. But even if it was in like new condition, did the mechanic say to you, sir, you shouldn't repair this car because it's going to cost more than it's worth?
He said the car's value was only like $7,000 to $8,000, and so it would cost more
to repair it than it's worth.
Right. He just said it was kind of a total loss situation for me.
All right. So the mechanic didn't recommend that you get to $12,000 in repairs. He just told you that's what it would cost.
Right.
But really, it should be a total loss.
Correct.
Okay. Are you insured?
Yeah, I have insurance.
What happened with the insurance?
They said that I couldn't because she's not covered under my insurance.
Right. She's not an authorized driver.
Right.
Right? Because you were renting it out to her, and that
was
not an approved transaction by the insurance company.
Correct.
Okay. To date, you have not gotten the car repaired, correct?
No, the car's just sitting.
All right. Is it drivable?
I haven't really drove it. I'm using other transportation.
How did you get it to the mechanic? You took it to the mechanic to check it out, right?
Yeah.
How did you get it there?
I drove it. It's close by.
Okay, so the car is drivable, but it's probably not in condition to be driven lots of places because you're saying the door doesn't fully close?
Correct, yeah.
Okay, all right. So, ma'am, Ms. Moore, you took your car to a mechanic. Do you have any evidence of the estimate you received?
When I brought the car to him after that, the quote, he took the paper and I was supposed to get a copy, but he never returned it to me.
So you only had one copy of the quote?
Yes, correct.
And you say that that's in the plaintiff's possession?
Correct.
All right, did you go request like another copy to bring to us?
I did not.
Okay, all right, because that would have been helpful for us, right? Because I understand there may be an issue of liability. I don't see an issue of liability, but it appears the real dispute here is about damages.
Right.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and open this up to my colleague.
I have nothing further.
I don't either.
Okay. We're going to excuse the parties while we deliberate in this matter. Thank you both very much. All right, we've reached a verdict. With respect to liability, we're certainly all in agreement. Where we struggled a little bit was with the correct evaluation of this car. Now, this car is a Chevrolet 2014 Cruze, and it has 130,000 miles on it. We felt that after some give and take, we recognize that the damages did seem to be extensive. However, there were some aspects of the damage that we felt were not related to the actual accident as it was described here. So we came up with essentially a compromise that we think speaks the truth. And we have concluded that the verdict will be in favor of the plaintiff for $3,500. That's the verdict of the court.